allergy chews that my dog thinks are a snack. Say less.
This is Hades, and when his allergies flare up, he literally itches his fur right off. I started giving him these positive pet allergy and immune chews, and honestly, the difference has been huge. He eats them like treats, so no fighting him to take it, and the itching has basically just stopped. For allergies and immune health, and they're so easy to add to his regular routine. So if your dog struggles with itching, I definitely check these out. It is so worth it.